Today, we'll cover essential topics like workgroup versus domain setups, local OS firewall settings, and client network configurations. These concepts are vital for setting up and managing networked environments effectively. In Windows, workgroups and domains provide different methods for organizing networked computers. A workgroup is a simple setup suitable for small networks, where each computer is managed separately. A domain setup, on the other hand, provides centralized management under a domain controller, ideal for larger organizations. In both workgroup and domain setups, sharing resources like printers, file servers, and mapped drives is crucial. In a workgroup, resources are shared individually from each computer, while in a domain, resources are managed centrally and can be accessed by users based on permissions set by the administrator. The local OS firewall in Windows is critical for securing your computer on a network. It includes settings for application restrictions, exceptions, and general configuration. For instance, you might configure the firewall to allow incoming connections for a specific application while blocking others. Configuring application restrictions and exceptions in the firewall settings is crucial for balancing security and functionality. For example, allowing a specific business application to communicate through the firewall while restricting unknown applications. Client network configuration involves setting up IP addressing, DNS, subnet mask, and gateway settings. These configurations can be static, where you manually enter network settings, or dynamic, where settings are automatically assigned by a DHCP server. The IP address identifies a computer on a network. In a small home network, workgroup, IP addresses might be dynamically assigned by a router. In a larger business network, domain, static IP addresses might be used for servers and network hardware. DNS settings determine how a computer resolves domain names to IP addresses. The subnet mask is used to divide the network into subnetworks. For example, setting a specific DNS server for faster domain resolution or configuring a subnet mask to segment a network. The gateway in network settings is the device that routes traffic from a local network to other networks or the internet. In most home networks, the router acts as the gateway. Static IP configuration is used when a specific IP address needs to be maintained, such as for servers. Dynamic configuration, on the other hand, is more flexible and is commonly used for client devices in both workgroup and domain environments. In conclusion, understanding and effectively configuring Windows networking features is key to maintaining a secure, efficient, and well-managed network environment, whether it's for a small home network or a large organizational domain.